Hey, Melanie Mills here, Toasted Blonde. Today we're going to talk about Limelight by Alcone's Enduring Lip Colors. And I'm going to give you a quick little review on it. Thanks for watching. Hey, subscribe to my channel. Click it. Subscribe for more honest reviews for a real person, not a beauty guy, not a makeup guru. I'm over 40 and I'll give you my honest opinion on how this makeup works. Alright, stay tuned. Alright. So let's talk about Limelight by Alcone's Enduring Lip Color. There are 11 shades. They're $20 each on their website. You know it. Your friend's showing you. She's showing you all the swatches, and you're thinking of buying it. What I can tell you is that I really like them. I'm wearing Sugar Plum right now. Now, I am horrible at applying makeup. Look at this, okay? It's all over the place. See, it's hopefully not eye teeth. But they last. They're like 4 to 6 hours. I've got a nice lip stain on my lip. Sometimes I put lip gloss over it. Sometimes I don't. I really like them. I think it's a good buy. I don't like the shade ranges. Like for me, they've got pretty reds and the dark color, the Sugar Plum that's not exactly me. They have the macaroon that's a little too brown for me, and the creme brulee is a little too pink. I'd love to see like a mauve-y plum. Not the Sugar Plum's a little dark, like more of a purple mauve plum color. It's a good lip stain. So I say go for it. Friends selling it, you want to buy something, go get an Enduring Lip Color. And while you're at it, go get a lip gloss because those are my favorite. Alright, I'm Melanie Mills. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.